Everything RF. Top RF and microwave stories this week. 25th to December 30th, 2023. CRFS helps develop a border surveillance solution in the Middle East. SWIS STO 12 celebrates 2023 as a landmark year owing to its stellar achievements. CRFS develops a compact wideband I/Q data recording solution for use in the field. Redwire's antenna technology successfully demonstrates Link 16 transmission from space. Mini Circuits Florida adds a surface mount department as part of its ongoing expansion. Talisman introduces new patented technology to produce high-performing GNSS antennas. Rohde & Schwarz verifies NXP's next-gen automotive radar sensors for extremely short object distances. Everything RF. Keeping you to update with the RF and microwave industry.